Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor for Powersoak part number 42618. This part is a replacement motor for the Powersoak PS-1000 and PS-2000 series commercial dishwashers. It is used to replace a faulty or worn-out motor and can help to fix symptoms such as slow draining, poor water circulation, or a noisy motor. This part fixes the following symptoms. 1. Unpack the motor for Powersoak part number 42618 and check that all components are present. 2. Locate the mounting bracket and attach it to the wall or other surface using appropriate screws or bolts. 3. Connect the motor to the power source using the appropriate wiring connections. 4. Securely attach the motor to the mounting bracket using appropriate screws or bolts. 5. Connect the motor to the Powersoak unit using appropriate wiring connections and secure with screws or bolts as necessary. 6. Test that all connections are secure and that the motor. Here is how you install this part. The motor for Powersoak part number 42618 is a direct drive motor designed to be used with the Powersoak part number 42618. This motor is designed to provide reliable and efficient operation in a variety of applications. It features a high torque, low-speed design that allows it to operate at speeds up to 1,800 RPM. The motor is constructed from durable materials and has an IP54 rating for protection against dust and water. It also features an overload protection system that prevents damage due to excessive current draw. This motor is ideal for use in applications SU. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.